now elephant crossing the road.
Safari was too good. Any safari is good, but yeah, the Madumalai, the landscape is good actually. Hi, good morning guys, welcome to Polo and Rish.
Good morning.
So today we are actually going to one of the famous national forest in India, that is Madumalai National Forest. So it's a tiger reserve basically. So the plan is very actually abrupt. तो हम लोग जाएंगे आज ही और आज ही रिटर्न आ जाएंगे. So it's almost 5 hours drive from Bangalore. So stay tuned. Let's see what is like क्या मिलता है वहाँ पे. So we reached Mysore. So it took around 2 hours 11 minutes from Bangalore. The road from Bangalore to Mysore highway is superb basically. So this is the 3rd or 4th time we are actually crossing. तो अभी और हम लोग को approximately 2 घंटा लगेगा to reach Madumalai. So from Bangalore, if you are planning for towards Mysore, Ooty, Bandipur, then now the road conditions are too good. So हम लोग अभी पहुंच गए हैं मधुमलाई टाइगर रिजर्व के अंदर. So first what we'll do, we'll have our lunch. So there is a restaurant called Banyan Restaurant. So it's a very good restaurant. तो हम लोग इसके पहले एक बार टारगेट किए थे जब हम लोग ऊटी जा रहे थे. So this time we'll have our lunch here. उसके बाद जो हम लोग का प्लान है, वन इज़ द सफारी का तो ऑलरेडी हम लोग बुकिंग कर चुके हैं ऑनलाइन, एंड ऑल्सो एलिफेंट फीडिंग कैंप. सो देर इज़ ऑप्शन दैट यू कैन एक्चुअली लिटरली फीड एलिफेंट. So if you remember that just 2 or 3 months back our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has visited both Bandipur and Madumalai, and so that's the development work is going on. So let me show you just area. The area is super good. Just let me show you that there is a small lake is there. So normally in the evening time you will be able to see the deers or the elephants. They come and have their water from this area. So while coming to this Madumalai, so you have to cross Bandipur and Madumalai border both. So while entering Bandipur there is a entry fee of 20 rupees, and while entering to Madumalai you have to pay an entry fee of 30 rupees. So total 50 rupees you have to pay. So better to carry cash because the network is completely unavailable basically. So now we are just waiting for the lunch. Let's have it and we will cover, we will show you. So this is the restaurant. So we have ordered 4 veg thali and 1 this chicken curry, Right, so all the veg thalis are there. The quantity wise it is good actually. The rice and all. So they'll give sambar and all. So let them give. So the rice is there.
Nice.
Rice,
Flavor
papad. This is curd. So we just finished our lunch. Lunch तो अच्छा ही था. All veg dish and one chicken curry was there. So lunch का जो cost हम लोग को आया है that is 120 rupees per plate and chicken curry जो है that is 250 rupees. So it's quite economical. It's under the Tamil Nadu Forest Department.
People are discussing. So expecting something like good to sight. Actually, Madhumalai itself is a very beautiful. It has a very beautiful landscape. You know, the Nilgiri range is throughout. So, and it's a beautiful forest. And see that jeep is actually, it's a canter kind of a van which is going for the safari.
Let me show you this one, the rates basically. Wait. So we got the gypsy. Now we are going for the safari. So we have to. It will start from 3:30. So it is always thrilling to go for a safari. So be it like whether you spot the big cat or not, but yes, forest is always fascinating. So let's hit the jungle. Yeah.
Big cat sighting, too much expectation, but anyway, loved the ride.
So the safari was too good. Any safari is good, but yeah, the Madhumalai, the landscape is good actually. And we spotted this wild boar and the elephant family with their babies. So it was fantastic one. So now I came to a souvenir shop. So let's see what I can find from here. Right. So this is it. Now only one activity is pending. That is the elephant camp basically. So what I heard that they allow people to feed them. Let's see. So now we came to this elephant camp. So there are a lot of elephants are there. There are a lot of projects are going on for this Madhumalai Tiger Reserve. This is the entire elephant camp. This is really a nice area basically. A lot of elephants are there, tuskers are there. See this one. their food. You can see different elephant names and their age. So the highest one is 74. No, Madhumalai, there's a male, it's 90. So basically, if you have seen this elephant whisperer, so normally they take all the elephants here. They do. There is a hospital, so veterinary center is there. So they do the treatments and all. So there is a food and all. It's prepared here only, and based on that, they basically feed them. They take care of them. So so if you see the elephant whisperers, then you can understand like where it actually their food and all prepared. So this complete area is surrounded. The wild elephants, they takes care of these elephants. So this one is the baby one. This is the baby elephant. So अभी हम लोग एक ब्रेक लिए हैं for the snacks and all, because हम लोग को पहुँचते पहुँचते 11:30 हो जाएगा और will not take any break, and Maximus भी घर पे अकेला है. So we'll just यहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत snacks लेके we'll straight go to home. So we'll not stop anywhere in between. So that's what thought of के आप लोग से final बोल देते हैं कि आज का वीडियो यहीं तक. We will see you guys in the next video with some new adventure, new destinations. Till then, bye. Please do subscribe, comment and share our channel. Bye.
Bye.